Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique. So in this video, I just going to show how to add a row on the table. So I just going to insert a table first. So I just going to insert a 4 into 4 table here. So I need another 5 and 6. 1, 2 and 3. So I need 2 columns 4 and 5. So you just want to click here. Just click on the cell where you just want to add a row. So then right click here, you can see an option called insert row above or below. If you want to insert a or 5, I just want to insert a row below the 3, so just click here and I just named as 5. So but now I just want a row between the 3 and 5, so I just right click here, insert a row above, so I can now name it as 4. So if you are filling a total table has already filled with some value, row above the particular cell or below the particular cell, you can insert a row above or below by clicking on the particular cell. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. More content about Google tasks, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.